Good evening, this is Ken. First, I have a question for everyone. What do you think 48% represents? Today, we're going to dive into the significance of this 48%. Let me give you the answer right away. This 48% represents Tesla's market share in the US EV market for 2024. Today, we'll review the latest data from the US market. Looking at the current situation, Tesla remains a dominant force in the US market as of Q3 2024. However, competitors like Ford, Honda, and even newer players like Rivian are gaining momentum. Today, I've reviewed 2 articles on the latest data regarding the US EV market. I'll summarize them and take a closer look at the US market trends, so please stay tuned until the end. Now, diving into the content. Tesla still holds 48% of the US EV market share as of Q3 2024. Although other automakers are catching up, Tesla continues to lead the market. Looking at competitors, Ford is making a strong presence with the Mustang Mach-E, Honda has introduced the Prologue in collaboration with GM, and Rivian is launching high-performance and attractive models. While Tesla maintains a significant lead, the market's future is becoming harder to predict. For Tesla stock investors, a key question might be, how long can Tesla maintain this lead? With Tesla's market share near 50%, any decline could impact its stock price. This is why Tesla's market share in the US remains a critical point to monitor. Now let's look at specific data. First, we'll examine the sales rankings for Q3 2024. Remarkably, Tesla occupies the top 3 spots. Leading the pack is the Model Y, which is the world's best-selling SUV, so its position makes sense. The Model 3 takes second place, showcasing Tesla's dominance in its home market, the US. But it doesn't stop there. What's worth noting is that the Cybertruck has already entered the rankings at 3rd place. This means Tesla holds the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd spots. While the Cybertruck sales aren't yet on par with the Model Y or Model 3, it's already secured 3rd place. Meanwhile, other manufacturers aren't standing still. For instance, Ford's Mustang Mach-E is the best-selling non-Tesla EV. Honda's Prologue, co-developed with GM, is also rapidly gaining traction, boosted by Honda's brand trust and dealer network. However, the key point here is Tesla's ecosystem strength. Tesla's Supercharger network is unmatched, and its full self-driving FSD software is years ahead of competitors. These factors significantly bolster Tesla's position. In other words, Tesla's dominance in the top 3 is no coincidence. It's built on a robust technological foundation and ecosystem. Even as competitors close the gap, Tesla's strong base suggests it will likely maintain its lead. Tesla's unique strengths continue to set it apart from others. So far, we've reviewed Tesla's strengths and the current market conditions. Now let's consider what Tesla stock investors should focus on. First, this data on the US market is reassuring. Dominating the top 3 models and maintaining a 48% market share amid fierce competition is an overwhelming advantage. Despite short-term market fluctuations, the long-term outlook remains positive. On the other hand, competitors are undeniably gaining momentum. Ford, Honda, and Rivian are introducing unique models that could capture market share. It's also important to monitor how these players affect the market. Moreover, with Trump potentially becoming president, there's talk of subsidies being cut, which could impact EV sales. And while Chinese automakers aren't currently competitive in the US due to tariffs, if they build factories in the US, they could become significant players. Tesla isn't just a car company, but its car sales are a major focus for the market. Therefore, we must continue watching closely. Now, when is the next buying opportunity for Tesla stock? This is a key concern for many investors. Recently, Tesla's stock price has been rising, but it seems to be driven by expectations rather than news. When results fall short of expectations, Tesla's stock tends to drop sharply. For now, Q4 delivery numbers will be the critical point. Analysts' forecasts are likely to emerge around late December, so keeping an eye on this is essential. Of course, I'll cover this on YouTube as soon as the information is out, so if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. In today's analysis, we reviewed the October 2024 data from the US, which represents the first month of Q4. The strong October results suggest rising expectations, and meeting these expectations will be crucial. By now, I hope it's clear that Tesla maintains a strong lead in the market. But What's worth noting are the potential changes over the next few months. The end of 2024 will be a crucial period for the automotive market. How much can Tesla increase its sales by the year's end? Looking ahead to 2025, developments like the Cybertruck's market expansion and the evolution of FSD could drive Tesla's next phase of growth. Tracking these changes without missing a beat could unlock significant opportunities, especially for Tesla stockholders. The coming months will be critical for making key investment decisions. That wraps up today's content. Survey results. Now, let's look at the results of Sunday's survey. Last week's results show Tesla's stock price was $389.22 at last week's close and $436.23 at this week's close. So the correct answer was that the stock would rise. We received 530 votes. Thank you. The majority, 77%, correctly predicted that the stock would rise. Next, let's look at the comments. Out of all comments, 11 were correct. 6 individuals have now had 2 consecutive correct predictions. The purpose of this survey is twofold. First, to help participants understand the difficulty of stock investing. Predicting stock movements every week reveals its challenges and helps reinforce the notion that no one can consistently predict the market. Second, regular analysis enhances personal skills. Watching my YouTube channel and engaging in these surveys can improve your analytical abilities. Finally, I'd like to share a comment from Takao Matsumoto. The world is finally beginning to realize Tesla isn't just an EV company. If this trend continues, the stock could reach $500 by year end. No, it definitely will. Thank you for your comment. It's true that Tesla is increasingly recognized as a company focused on AI, energy, and robotics, not just EVs. This broader perception is likely to drive the stock higher. Thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.